We just completed step number 2, connecting your sparkled smart lights directly to your home Wi-Fi. Now we're going to do step number 3, downloading and connecting the app. On an Android phone, you're going to have the Google Play Store here. On an Apple phone, it'll be the App Store. Go find the App Store or the Play Store. We are going to search for the WLED app. So WLED, click the search button. That's the app that we're looking for. WLED. It might say WLED official app or something like that. It's the exact same app, but just make sure it's got this little light octopus looking icon here. That's the app that you want. Go ahead and click install. If you have an Apple phone, it most likely will ask you for your Apple ID password. If you don't know what your Apple ID password is, pause this video, go figure out what the Apple ID password is. That way you could download the app. Once it's completed downloading and installing on your phone, you could open it up directly from the App Store or the Play Store. Or what I'm going to do is I'm going to go find where the app was downloaded onto my phone, and I'm going to add that app icon directly to my home screen. That way I have easy access to it later. To do that, I'm going to close this. I'm going to swipe up on my phone, and right here is the app icon that I'm looking for, the WLED app. So if I click and hold on to this, I'm going to click add to home screen. There we go. We've got it added. Again, if you want to, you could access it directly from the App Store or the Play Store here. You could open it directly from there. In this case, I'm going to open it up directly from my home screen. Click on there. All right, we're in the app. You'll notice that you only have one little option here. If by chance we installed multiple controllers on your home, maybe you wanted a separate controller for the back, or maybe you have a separate building, then you might see multiple controllers here. In most cases, you're only going to have one. But if you click on that option right there, it will take you right into the app. So here we are into the app. If we go back real quick, if you notice that this says offline, and when you click on it, it doesn't do anything, then one thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to double check that your Wi-Fi, that your phone or your tablet or your computer or whatever device that you're using, you want to make sure that it's connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network that we connected the controller box to. If we close this and we go back to settings, go to connections, go back to your Wi-Fi settings, right here, Wi-Fi. And we want to make sure that the Wi-Fi network that we're connected to is the exact same Wi-Fi network that we connected the controller box to in step number 2. Once you're connected to the correct Wi-Fi network, then it should show online, and you click on it and it brings you right into the app. Now we've completed step number 3. We've downloaded and connected the app to your phone. In the next step, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create fully automated schedules, how to turn them on, how to turn them off. Let's jump into that on the next video.